Anybody can learn and does not matter whatever background. Okay. If we have purchase and inventory knowledge, that is preferred but not mandatory. If you some people have purchase and inventory, I think 7 you have, right? Okay.
Yes.
That is preferred but not mandatory. In our day-to-day classes, we will discuss and study those processes and all. In this training, 1 second. Hi Rohini.
Yeah, hello sir. Good morning. Sorry for the delay.
Yeah, no issue, no. Can you give a small introduction, ma?
Yeah, my name is Rohini. I have completed my master's in organic chemistry. I have done my experience in pharmaceutical company and as well as a teacher also. From past 2 years, I am not doing any work due to some personal issues.
Okay.
Now I want to switch into IT, so I choose an SAP MM.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah.
Okay, actually, I'm giving my introduction also.
Yeah. Okay.
Myself, Gopinath. I have 14 years of experience. Okay, in SAP. My graduation is a BE. Okay, from electrical and electronics.
Okay.
Okay, I have completed 10 implementation projects. Okay, 8 is in ECC and 2 is in S4.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, just now we have started. Okay, in between you have joined. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay, in this training, you will learn everything from scratch. Scratch means starting to ending. You will understand SAP, not only configuration, from business point of view also we can discuss. Okay, means not only configuration means all the system activities. From business point of view also we can discuss. The only expectation from you is your desire and commitment to learn. Once you learn, you cannot leave it in middle. Okay, unless until you get some good opportunity. Okay, this is all about who can learn SAP MM. SAP is the ERP tool. Okay, SAP is the ERP tool. ERP means enterprise resource plan. Enterprise means for organization, company. Resource means manpower or material. Planning means execution. One manufacturing company, what they will do, using manpower and material, they start doing the execution activities. Okay, suppose one XYZ company is there. They are going to manufacture cement. If they are going to manufacture cement, okay, for cement manufacturing, whatever raw materials required, whatever manpower required, first they will procure. After that, they will do the production activities. That's why this SAP, we can call it as a ERP. ERP means enterprise resource plan. Why is ERP required? Okay, suppose they're going to choose ERP. Why ERP is required? It's an integration of business processes. Whenever we are working in any ERP product, integration will be there. It will be integrated with different components, like a different. Okay, can you mute it, Rohini? Okay, integration of business processes. Okay, integration means whenever we are working in any ERP product, it will be integrated with the financial objects. Okay, procurement related, production related, quality related, sales related, all integration will be there. And also standardization of the system across the location. Wherever you go across the India, across the world, the system standardization is unique. Anywhere you can log in and start doing your day-to-day activities. And also it control all your organization aspects in a better way. And also better controlling of different business processes. Different business process means like procure to pay, order to cash, okay, plan to produce, record to report. Like we have different business processes are there. Okay, like in the procure to pay, we have standard procure process, service procurement, capital goods procurement, stock transfer, and also consignment process, pipeline process, subcontracting process. All these processes are controlling in a different way. And also better reporting system, like purchase reports, production reports, sales reports, quality reports, all it will be controlled in a better way. Next, best utilization of resources like manpower, material, and machine. Using these advantages, we are going with the ERP and all. Okay, first is the integration. Next, controlling of different business processes, reporting, and utilization. These are the main advantages if you go with the ERP products and all. What are the different ERP products in the market? Okay, like we have SAP, Oracle, Bond, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Marshall, Microsoft Dynamics, etc. Okay, out of these ERP products, SAP is occupied by more than 60 to 70% market share of the ERP package and that. Okay, why only SAP? Why only SAP? Why cannot remaining ERP products? Okay, SAP is the user-friendly software. When they're going to choose SAP and all, SAP is the user-friendly software. And also SAP gives to solution to all departments to enterprise gain success. Means, okay, whenever that's going to choose any ERP product, okay, suppose they're going to choose SAP. Why SAP? Okay, it's a user-friendly software. And also, it's a provide solution to all departments. Okay, means suppose if we are working with the MM. Normally, MM what we have to do? We have to do procure the material from vendor. After that, we have to make the payment. Okay, procurement activities will be done by MM people, and the payment processes will be done by finance people. Okay, whenever we are working in a PP module, MM module, okay, it's a complete end-to-end solution will be there. Means if you are working in PP, only PP has to take care. It's not like that. Okay, SAP is a provide solution to all departments, like starting with the procurement, production, quality, and also accounts. And also, it's a tightly integrated with the product. Whenever you update something in one department, like manufacturing, automatically reflects in the relevant departments. No need to inform other departments. Means, suppose you have done procurement process, like you have done GR. When you done the GR, goods received against the purchase order, accounting documents will be generated. Whenever you post this accounting document, automatically it will be updated in the financial department. You no need to inform other departments. And also data security. Okay, suppose you are working in SAP MM, someone is working in SAP PP, someone working in the quality management, okay, HR module, finance module, sales and distribution, warehouse management, okay, plant maintenance. Okay, suppose one guy working only purchasing activities, other guy working financial activities. What system will be do? System will differentiate. Means you have only purchase related access. You have only finance related access. It's provide data security. Means secure for all the people. Means one person don't have a full access. If you have full access, what will happen? It will be difficult to control organization in the SAP itself also. That's why, okay, whoever working in that respective department, only that respective authorizations will provide using this SAP. I think you are working in someone working in the procurement department, correct na? You will get only procurement related access. You cannot get a finance related access, correct, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's why data security. If you go with the SAP, it's a provide data security. Okay, these are the advantages when you're going with the SAP and all. User-friendly software, and also it provides solution to all departments. It's a tightly integrated with all products. Whenever you update something in the one department, automatically reflects in the other department, and also provide data security. After SAP, we have Oracle. Okay, then BON. Okay, SAP used medium to large scale industries. Suppose company turnover is 10 crores, 20 crores, 50 crores, they will go for SAP and all. Suppose if the company turnover is 2 crores, 5 crores, okay, those are all small scale industries. Okay, they cannot, afford to go with the SAP. Why? Because SAP is the expensive software. But if they choose SAP and all, it's a provide end-to-end solution. Suppose if you want to see all the 10 years data compared to other ERP products, SAP will provide better results. Okay, Oracle. Okay, it's a medium scale industries they will use. BON. BON mainly used for production related application. Okay, this is used small scale industries. PeopleSoft. PeopleSoft mainly deals with the HR related, all the people management, time management, travel management, okay, salary related, all the information it will be stored in the PeopleSoft. This is also used by small scale industries. Next, after that, JD Adverse, Marshall and Microsoft. These also use small scale industries. Out of these ERP products, SAP is occupied more than 60 to 70% market share. Okay. Advantages also we discuss. Okay. Mainly user friendly software and integrated product. Hope all are clear. This one, ERP products and all. Guys, Shravan,
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Rohini, Anita, hi Mahbub.
Hi, sir.
Hi Ma. Can you give a small introduction, Ma? Actually, I think you joined late. Hello.
This is Mehboob, sir. I'm having a 5 years experience into the procurement.
Mhm.
Actually, I wanted to enhance my skills in the MM modules. Already we are using SAP with MM, but still I want to enhance my skills into this.
Okay.
So that is the main reason that I was here today.
Okay. These are the different ERP products. If you go with SAP, okay, most of the industries, like 70% industries, they are using SAP and all. Okay. Next, what is SAP and all? 1 second, guys. Hi, Mohan Krishna. Hello. Hello, Mohan. Okay, no issue. What is SAP and all? SAP stands for System Applications and Products in Data Processing. We have 10 million users, 32,000 customers, 1,000 partners, and it supports more than 21 plus industry solution. Okay, all over the world. Okay, we have more than 10 million users and also 32,000 plus customers and 1,000 plus partners. Okay, out of this 21 industry solution, SAP supports like aerospace, automotive, banking, chemicals, consumer, defense, construction, okay, next machinery, insurance, life sciences, media, mill product, mining, oil and gas, pharma, retail, telecommunication, transportation, logistics. These are the industries SAP will support. Not only these industries like cement manufacturing, okay, paint manufacturing, okay, sugar, automobile industry, okay, all these industries, paper industry, wood industry, all these industries SAP will support, wire industry and all. SAP is the third largest software company in the world after Microsoft and IBM. In SAP, we are using a R3 system. R3 means a real-time three-tier architecture. This real-time three-tier architecture is tightly, integrated with all areas of business. Okay, in SAP, we are using a R3 system. Okay, SAP, started in year 1972 by 5 IBM scientists. 5 IBM scientists who sat into the one room. Okay, first they introduced into the German market. Slowly, they introduced into the other countries. It's a German-based software. I hope all are heard about this one. Okay, is anyone heard? SAP is the German-based software. 7.
Yes.
Yes, sir, we are aware.
Yeah. Okay, it's introduced in 1972 by 5 IBM scientists. Okay, first they sat into one room. First they introduced into the German market. Okay, slowly it's they introduced into the other countries as well. From last 50 plus years, we are using SAP Hana. Okay, this is all about SAP Hana. Okay, SAP stands for System Applications and Products in Data Processing. It is the largest business software company in the world and also largest enterprise resource planning solution software provider after Microsoft and IBM. Okay, SAP main products are SAP ERP, okay, known as a R3. This SAP software R3 system has a three-tier architecture. R3 means real time, 3 means three-tier. In real-time three-tier architecture, we have presentation layer, application layer, and a database layer. Presentation means your computer, laptop, and mobile device or tab also. Application means your SAP software. Once you log into your system, okay, we have SAP software. This is SAP software. After that, once you save the data will be stored in the database layer. Okay, like we have ECC and S4HANA. ECC means Enterprise Central Component. Okay, when SAP introduced into 1972, first it started with the ECC. Okay, ECC means ERP Central Component. Okay, like we have ECC 4.0, 4.5, 5, 6, 6.5, 7, like that versions are there. Okay, suppose what is the difference between ECC and S4HANA? I think whoever you, I think Shravan or someone already working, right? Like which software, like which version you are using, ECC or S4HANA? Guys, now we are using which software, ma? Which version?
S4 HANA version, sir.
S4HANA. Okay, got it. Okay, what is the difference between ECC and S4HANA? When you are working in ECC, SAP don't have their own database. Okay, SAP don't have their own database. Okay, whenever you save the data will be stored in the DB2, MS SQL, IBM, Oracle. These are the database servers. Okay, SAP in ECC, SAP, we don't have their own database. Okay, like DB2, MS SQL, IBM. These are all external database servers. And also SAP ECC supports GUI version. Anyone heard about GUI? Guys?
Graphical interface.
Graphical user interface.
Yeah.
Okay. Once you log in into SAP, okay. Okay, this is the GUI software. Okay, this is the GUI software. And when you are working in S4 HANA, S4 means suit on fourth generation HANA. HANA means high performance analytics. Okay, S4 HANA introduced into 2018 February. Okay, when we are working in S4 HANA, SAP have their own database. Which database we are using? Mahbub? We are working in S4 HANA, right? End user. Which database we are using? HANA Cloud database. Okay. SAP have their own database. In S4 HANA, SAP supports GUI version, URL, Fiori. Okay. GUI we already discussed. Okay. First we have to install SAP software. After that, you have to install server properties, all those things. But in case of URL means on premises, means some people are traveling. Okay, every time they cannot install GUI software. Okay, download. It will take lot of time, like 1 hour or 2 hours time. In that case, SAP S4 HANA given feature URL like google.com, youtube.com, okay, Facebook. Okay, S4 HANA SAP also their own URL. Okay, using that URL, just you paste that URL into your browser and log in, do your day-to-day activities. Okay, Fiori. Suppose Fiori means is a tiles. Normally in GUI URL, we are using transaction codes. We are using T codes to execute our day-to-day process. But in case of Fiori, we are using tiles like apps. SAP inbuilt apps are there. Okay, we are using only tiles. Okay, who is using this Fiori screens and all? Suppose some people are working in remote areas. They don't have access. Okay, they cannot carry laptop. They cannot carry desktop and all. What company will do? Management, IT team. They will provide tabs to those people. They will install Fiori Launchpad application into the tabs, their tabs and all. Whenever they receive the orders, like purchase order, production order, or sales order, just they are going to that app, Fiori app. Okay, and they have to approve or they have to create orders, whether it will be purchase order or production order or sales order. These are the advantages. Okay, comparison between ECC and S4. Okay, from 2026 onwards, there is no more ECC. Okay, ECC there is no more. Only whoever using ECC, they have to migrate to the S4 HANA. Okay, already SAP company in the lockdown period, okay, Corona time, they already like given option. Okay, we'll stop ACC and whoever using ECC, they have to migrate S4 HANA. But due to some economic issues and all, they requested to the SAP, all the companies. Okay, we need some time. Because of that, okay, SAP has given some time up to 2025. From 2026 onwards, there is no more ECC. Whoever using ECC, they have to migrate it to the S4 HANA. These are the difference between ECC and S4 HANA. Hope all are clear, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, modules in SAP. We have functional modules and technical modules. Okay, to learn functional modules, you don't require coding knowledge. You require only business knowledge. Okay, technical modules. Suppose to work or to learn any technical modules, you require technical knowledge like SQL or query knowledge or Java, something like that. Functional modules are FI. FICO mainly deals with the finance related applications. HR module mainly deals with the all payroll information. Okay, all the people management like employee information, salary, time management, biometric, travel management. HD module mainly deals with the sales related. Suppose once you using PP module, if you produce any product, what HD module will do? They will sell the material to the customer. Okay, for doing the production, we require MM module. Through MM module, what we'll do? We'll procure the material. Suppose if you are going to produce cement or sugar, mainly what you require? Sugar cane or limestone. Those procurement we have to do it in MM module. Okay, plant maintenance mainly deals with the maintenance of the machines, like breakdown, calibration, preventive. These are the maintenance activities we have to perform the plant maintenance module. Okay, these SD, MM, PP, PM, quality management, warehouse management, all are comes under logistics. Okay, suppose if you learn any MM model, you can learn easily PP also based on your experience. PM also you can learn, SD also you can learn, warehouse also you can learn. Okay, extended warehouse management also you can learn. These are the advantages when you go when you learn any logistics model. Okay, technical models. Okay, to work or to learn this model, we require coding knowledge. If you don't have coding knowledge, don't go for this module and ABAP mainly. Okay, BIBW mainly deals with the reports. This also coding required. Basis mainly software and hardware related. Software, hardware, and data security. Okay, here there is no coding. Next, this is stopped in the ECC. Okay, we are not using any enterprise portal. Hana, this is mainly database purpose. Hana database purpose. Okay, to learn these modules, we require coding knowledge, except basis. Even though there is no coding involved in the basis, but still we can consider this module as a technical module. Okay, these are the functional and technical modules. Hope all are clear. Guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, landscape. Landscape means arrangement of servers. Whenever we are working in SAP, okay, we have landscape. Suppose you are going to start any business. Okay, you cannot, without testing, you cannot directly execute the activities in production system. We require some prerequisite. First, we have to do configuration and the testing. After that, we have to move the request to the production system. Production is the live server. Okay, what is the difference between this development, quality, and the production system? Landscape means arrangement of servers. Any client, if they want to implement SAP, they need to purchase the servers. Okay, suppose they are going to implement SAP. First, they need to purchase the servers. SAP is suggested to go for minimum 3 servers: development, quality, and production server. Development server used to configure the client business process in SAP, used by consultants. We are a consultant. If you go to the consulting field, like join in a reputed companies like Tech Mahindra, TCS, Capgemini, Accenture, Deloitte, Cognizant, IBM, okay, L&T. These are all MNCs. Okay, if you join those companies, you are a consultant. You have to implement SAP for their clients. Okay, in the development server, what we'll do? All the configuration activities we have to perform in the development, configuration and testing activities performed by consultant. Quality server used to test the scenarios used by consultant and core user. Suppose we have performed testing in the development server. After that, we have to move the request to the quality server. Quality server, who will test it? Okay. Once we move the request to the quality, core user or end user will test it. If they give confirmation, the functionality is working properly or not. If it is working properly, then we have to move to the production server. Core user is the employee of the company who has good experience and exploring in the client business process. Production server is the live server where end user will do day-to-day business transaction SAP. Production server used by end user and core user. Consultant will not have access to the production server. User will not have access to the development server. Okay, these are the basic things you have to understand when you are going for any MNCs. Okay, normally if some people are working in the end users. Okay, end users only have access in the production environment. They don't have access to the development server. Even you are a consultant. Suppose if end user facing any issues, just we have to guide and help to those people as a consultant. Consultant has to help those people. These are the different types of servers. Hope all are clear, guys. Rohini,
Yes,
7.
sir.
Okay. Next, this is the environment, development, quality, and production server. Types of users in SAP: end user, super user, and consultant. End user means he will execute day-to-day business transaction in SAP. Suppose if end user facing any issues, they will connect the super user or power user or core user. Okay, compared to end user, super user or power user have some knowledge or some experience in the SAP. Okay, like a reporting purpose, if they're facing any issues, end user, they will connect the super user. And also printing, purchase order print, they cannot able to print, sales order, production orders, and also financial reports. Okay, super user or power user will guide to the end user. Suppose if super user is also not able to resolve end user issues, okay, they will connect the consultant. Consultant is the coordination between end user and the core users. These are the types of users in SAP. Okay, up to here all the introduction. What is SAP? What is ERP? Okay, landscape, functional models and technical types of users and all. Up to here, is anyone having any issues or any concerns? Guys,
No, okay.
Anita, Mahbub, Mohan.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, in SAP MM, SAP MM means material management. Is one of the important logistics module. In SAP MM module, we are using a terminology called procure to pay. We are procuring the material, like a company will procure the material for manufacturing of any finished product, like sugar, cement, steel. Okay, once they procure from different vendor, after that they are making payment to the vendor. That is called procure to pay. We are procuring, and after that they are making payment to the vendor. That is called procure to pay. Procuring and paying. SAP MM middle management function is one of the part of logistics module. It is one of the important module in SAP ERP and S4HANA. Supports all the procurement and inventory functions occurring in day-to-day business operations. Procurement means purchasing. Inventory means all the material movement. Okay. Material like physically how much stock is available. Okay, from where to where we have to move, which location. Those all comes under inventory. The material management consisting of all master data. Master data includes like material master, vendor master, info record, source list, quota arrangement, and the system configuration like plant configuration, company code configuration, purchase organization, purchase group, storage location, document types, member ranges, material type, valuation class, all this comes under configuration. Under transactions. Once we done the configuration and the master data setup, we have to perform transactional data like purchase order creation, purchase requisition creation, request for quotation, contract, quotation maintenance, schedule agreement, all comes under transactional. With the help of master data and configurable data, we will execute transactional data. To complete this procure-to-pay process, we require all this setup. Okay. In the procurement life cycle process, the diagram is look like this. Okay. In the procurement life cycle process, in the manufacturing company, there are so many departments are available, like purchase department, production department, sales department, quality, warehouse, civil, IT department, accounts department, maintenance department, and out of those department, if maintenance department have any requirement, first what they will do, they will identify or determination of requirement in the form of indent. Okay, indent is nothing but purchase requisition in SAP terminology. Suppose if they require 100 quantity of the material, like spare parts and all. First, what they will do, they will take internally purchase requisition, they will create it. In that, they will mention all the material, whichever they are going to purchase, quantity, rough estimation price, for which plant they require. After that, they will take the approvals internally. Once approval is done, based on the indent document, sourcing department, what they will do, they will search who is the source of supply for that material, 100 quantity of the material or 1000 quantity of the material. First, internally, externally, what they will do, they will inquire the vendors who is going to supply that material. First, they will ask that those vendors to submit RFQs. RFQ means request for quotation. Once RFQs are identified, they submit the quotation also. Based on the quotation, Okay, what sourcing department will do? They can accept the quotation or they can reject the quotation also. Based on the accepted quotation, okay, whoever vendor selected, they will they rejected vendor, they will send the rejection letters to the rejected vendors. If they accepted, okay, they will inform your quotation is accepted. Okay, we are creating purchase order. Purchase order who will create a purchase department. Okay, based on the accepted vendor quotation. In the PO, all the actual information like vendor details, material details, quantity, actual price, if they have any pricing conditions like GST, loading unloading charges, discounts, packing forwarding charges, all the relevant information available in the purchase order. Once purchase order is created with the relevant data, then normally indent is a company internal document. We cannot send indent document to the vendors. Purchase order is a company external document. They can send to the vendors also, external vendors, for their info purpose. Once a PO created, okay, they can take approvals like management. Suppose they are working, corporate office is there, head office is there. If any approval required, okay, the PO release procedure is there, approval procedure. Once a PO approval is done, they will monitor. Okay, when they will supply the material, they will contact the vendors like reminders. Once PO is received, sorry, once the material received to the company premises, what warehouse team will do or stores department, they will do the GR, that is called goods receipt against the purchase order. Okay, in the goods receipt, whatever PO quantity is there, if same quantity is matched, then they will do the GR. Once you do the GR, what quality department will do? They will do the quality check. They will do some inspection. Whatever supplied, vendor supplied, that material quality is good or bad. If the quality is okay, then they can accept that goods. If the quality is rejected, they can return that material to the vendors. Suppose if the quality is accepted, what warehouse department will do? They will store the material. Okay. Then whatever accepted goods, accounts department, what they will do? They will do the invoice verification against the purchase order. Okay, all the invoice invoice related vendor, material quantity, purchase order, tax, all the relevant information they will post in the invoice verification. Once invoice verification is done, against that invoice verification, finance department will make the payment to the vendor. Okay, like how much amount they have to pay that vendor under. Normally within immediately they will not pay 30 days or 60 days. Some payment terms will be there, or 3 months something. They'll make payment to the vendor. After that, finance people will do the bank reconciliation. Okay, if suppose they are using Punjab National Bank or HDFC, those they will match with the SAP bank. SAP bank means SAP GL accounts. Okay, if it is cross verified, then they will close that one cycle process. This is a continuously doing for all the procurement related activities. Okay, this is all about your procure to pay life cycle process. Anyone have queries, guys? Anita?
So all these cycles, what is the main role of the MM candidates?
Sorry?
Suppose we are working on the MM role.
Okay.
So here various stages are there, right? So various stages, only one role it will be taking, or different
Different
roles.
roles, ma'am. Different.
Okay.
Determine.
So
Yeah.
suppose if we are working like so any kind of role can we pick up here?
No.
Hmm.
Normally,
What is the main role of this material management?
yeah, main role of material management is okay. Suppose if they are going to manufacture one product, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, suppose you are manufacturing, they are manufacturing sugar, they are manufacturing cement. Okay, for manufacturing of cement or sugar, what you require mainly? Raw materials required, right?
Yeah.
Raw materials or packing material or chemicals or lubricants, whatever.
Hmm.
First, what they will do? Okay, this procurement department. Okay, first they will whoever have requirement. The maintenance department has some requirement. They will raise the intent.
Okay.
Okay, this will be taking care of MM only. From determination of requirement and the determination of source of supply, vendor selection, purchase order processing, PO monitoring, and goods receipt. Up to this is MM part.
Okay.
Okay. After that, quality people will do the quality check. That is quality management.
Hmm.
Then invoice verification, payment processing, and bank reconciliation will perform by accounts people. Means FICO.
Okay.
With the help of all these four modules, we will complete this procure to pay life cycle process. Okay, mainly without MM module, no other departments cannot do any further activities.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, this is the main source for logistics. Hope you clear.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Any questions, guys? Mahbub?
No questions, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go to the SAP. Okay. First, you have to log in. I'm not going to complex process. Why? Because some people are new to SAP. I'll just give in some simple life cycle process. Okay, quality and RFQ and all I will not go. In our day-to-day classes, we'll discuss that. Okay. First, I will go to the purchase requisition ME51N. Suppose if any department requirement, okay, first they will mention the document type and material. Okay, whichever they require. Suppose RMM 11 is one material, raw material. They require 100 quantity. Okay, which plant they require? They require one of the manufacturing plant. Who is the requisitioner? Then press enter. Okay, suppose this is the estimation price. Suppose one quantity $5. Total quantity how much? 100. 100 into 5, 500. Okay, after that, we'll create this purchase equation. Okay, purchase equation has been generated. This is the purchase equation. Based on the purchase equation, what sourcing purchase department will do? They will create a purchase order. Enter the source of supply. This guy is vendor, purchase organization, purchase group, and company code. Okay, this coming from all configuration activities. Our day-to-day classes will discuss that one. Select my purchase equations. This is our purchase equation. Select this one, click adopt. Okay, enter the actual price. Actual price of this PO. Suppose 1 second. I'm going to create a purchase order again. Enter the supplier. Document overview on. Select the purchase equations. Now we can save this purchase order. Suppose if you want any tax codes also can maintain here. Then save this purchase order. Okay, purchase order has been created. Suppose if you want, if you go change that purchase order also, go to other purchase order, enter that purchase order. Then you have to do GR against the purchase order. Means we have to receive the goods from vendor. Goods received against the purchase order. This is transaction performed in MIGO. Okay. Against purchase order, we are receiving the goods. Once we receive the goods, the material will be posted in the stock. Material stock will be posted in the stock overview T code. Here it will be posted. Now, finance department, what they will do? They will do the invoice in MIRO T code. Okay, invoice date. Okay, don't make it confused. Okay, this is a demo. Okay, we'll discuss how to perform these activities in day-to-day classes. Okay, total amount is 505. Simulate and post it. After that, take the payment. Finance people make the payment. Enter the document date, bank account, amount, and enter the vendor supplier name. Then we have to post it this document. Okay, go to FTS 53 again. Enter the bank account, amount 505, and the account. Okay, here we can make the payment. Okay, once you make the payment in F-53, our this procurement process will be completed. Okay, this is all about your procure to pay life cycle process. First, we have to create a purchase requisition, purchase order, and a GR. Up to here, what our part now? Invoice and payment is not our part. Okay, anyone have queries? I'm not going in depth on this one. Okay, why? Because some people are new to SAP. Okay, we'll discuss our day-to-day classes, how the procurement will starts. Any questions, Rohini, Anita, Mahbub, Sheikh, Sukur?
No.